What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Just got done doing an oil change on the STI. Let's go ahead and start her up. This is like the most satisfying feeling ever, doing an oil change and doing that first startup. I actually got a cool little something for the STI for today's video, but before I open this, let's go drive the car on the new oil change. All right, let's show you guys what came in for the STI. So we got a Vertex turn signal extension, which is actually the same brand as my steering wheel. But since I got an aftermarket steering wheel, as you guys can see, I have to like reach over with like my third finger to hit the turn signal as I'm holding the wheel. So although I've gotten used to it, I kind of miss having the turn signal like right here. So we got this, and check out what color I went with. Ooh, that looks so good. So I went with the titanium color. I don't know why, but lately I've been like super into titanium. It's caught my eye so much, and I think it's gonna look really good in the STI. Another thing that I also ordered are these steering wheel bolts. So I ordered those in titanium as well, but they haven't gotten here. So I was hoping for them to be here at the same time as this so I could install both of them, but they didn't get here in time. So we'll go ahead and throw this on today, and then when those get here, we'll throw those on as well. Just finished putting on the extension for the turn signal, and check it out. Looks really, really good. I'm happy that I went with the titanium. I think it looks really good right here. So this is what it looks like from inside, and this is what it looks like from the outside. So I like it. It looks really good. I also made sure that it was enough distance for me to clear right here so that when I turn, I don't bump it with like my knuckles or whatever. But we're gonna go test it out. We're gonna go drive the car and see how it feels with it on. It's good on my hand, so I don't hit it. Turn signals are good. It feels really, really sturdy, so I like that about it. So turn signal. And then turn. Perfect. That's perfect. Damn, that looks really good. Check it out, guys. And it feels really, really nice too. It doesn't feel awkward at all. It's nice. I like it. So we'll turn again. Nice. I was worried about bumping it with like my knuckles, but it's a good distance away for me not to do that. So overall, really, really good. So let me know what you guys think about the extension, and let me know what you think about the color. I thought it was a little edgy at first when I first bought it, but I just said, you know what, I'm gonna go for it and see how it turns out, and I actually really like how it came out. Wait till the steering wheel bolts get here so that they really complement each other. If you guys want one of these for yourselves, make sure you hit up Carl at Rare Evo Parts. I'll put his Instagram up here. And also huge thank you to my buddy Eddie, because he did a video on one of these first and I didn't even know about them. So that's how I found out about Carl and Rare Evo Parts, was through Eddie. So thanks Eddie as well. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.